This is what you call a winter wonderland. But people throw out garbage in the winter, even when it's snowing. So, neither rain, nor sleet, nor snow, yada yada yada. We are going trash picking. As soon as I get this car cleared off, that is. I suspect that the exposure in the camera is going to be way off today. Let's see. Is that better? And like now we're totally overexposed. But as they say, see, look at that, totally overexposed. Right? We'll set the exposure for the trunk. Now we go across the street, blown out. It's like the sun went down. This is what I'm dealing with out here today. So my advice to you is, if you're gonna go trash picking, and you're gonna record yourself doing it, do it on a bright sunny day. Otherwise, you'll go crazy. See? Totally overexposed. And now, the screen's wet, so I can't adjust the exposure. There we go. Yeah, filmmaking 101, folks. But welcome to another day of trash picking. Well, let's see if we can get the exposure right this time. Isn't this adorable? What do you think that is? Wind chime. Oddly enough, despite the snowy weather, it's not windy. All right, hold on. Work smarter, not harder, as they say. Actually, I should walk more lately. You know, instead of thud, thud. So let's see what we got here. We got some CDs. Willie Nelson music book, we'll take all that. In here, ooh, Amish wood milk. I don't think we want stuff in here. All right, this is gonna be kind of an awkward edit, but I had to edit out an address label on this box. But look at this big electrical motor. You can't even get it out. Really? Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. What do we have in here? Little wheels and things. Looks like they took apart their treadmill. Fake fruit. I like fake fruit. I don't know. Nobody ever buys it though. And then over here, how nice is that? HP inkjet printer, Cisco router, 4-port USB hub. All right. So I'm gonna take this whole box of books and CDs and junk, and the wind chimes and the motor, and my hands are freezing, so I'm gonna do that off camera. All right. Weather's not really that bad, although the roads are slippery. Let's see what we got in these boxes. Ooh, look. Some copper. That's a piece of cast iron, but it's small. And some brass. What else do we have here? That's kind of cool. It's like numbers and stuff that you can use to make signs. I don't know. I don't think we need that though. What's in here? Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Somebody's lunch, I guess. Bunch of locks. Oh yeah. Gonna go get in a rumble. Bap bap. Please don't ever punch anyone with a lock on your fist. I don't know. Even though most of these locks don't appear to have keys, this is just the best assortment of locks I've ever found in my life. I'm so excited right now. This pile doesn't look like it's all that great, but what do we got? Lots and lots of kids' toys. They're not old kids' toys, though. That's so cool. Yeah, we need something for a thumbnail, right? It's almost like these people had little kids, but then they had leftover toys from their own childhood or something. Alright, I guess we can take these computers. Whoa. That's gonna flop around. Let's see, can we do this one one-handed? Maybe. Wow, how gripping is this footage? Ugh. All right, it's in there. Well, let's see. I don't know. See, it's like more toys in here. And they're like kind of old, but kind of not old. Like the John Davidson bobblehead. Whatever the hell that is. It's like I'm guessing that if I took all these bags of toys, there'd be something in there good, but probably not. But here, got some LPs. Robin Trower. Look at these guys. Spooky Tooth the Mirror. Ian Thomas Band. Alright. So, a duffel bag full of LPs. If we could carry those to the car. I didn't want to say anything, but right now there's a pile hopper cutting all the cords in the pile. What a... There he goes. What a pathetic loser. Anyway, I don't know exactly what's in this one. This one's got like old crayons. Chicken bouillon. So yeah, I think we're done with this pile. I think we got all the good stuff. Let's close up the trunk if we can fit it. And get on down the road and get away from this pile hopper. I got to admit, it is way better out here than I thought it was going to be. I don't think the drive home is going to be great, though. Is this a thing? Is that a name brand? Does it have $900 in it? I don't know. You see $900 in there? I don't. I guess I'll take that. Ah! Almost fell over. Anything else? I don't know. That's weird. A rubber bucket? You ever see something like that? It's like a bucket made out of rubber. I don't know. A rubber bucket filled with rolled up metal and rocks. No, it's got to be a reason for that, so I'm taking it. What's a rubber bucket for? I don't know. But yeah, it's actually not a bad night out here tonight. The weather's a little rough. It's like a winter wonderland, but I'm having a good time. All right. It is slushy and it is raining, which is better than snowing. We might have to, ooh, look at all these footprints. Do those look like picker footprints or homeowner footprints? I don't know. But Mr. Pilehopper is a scrapper, so he would have took this. What else do we have here? Picture frames, and this is like, ugh. I'm not trying to open this box out in the cold weather with no gloves on. Am I? Yes, I am. Do we want that? Nah. I mean, we might need it on the way home. But we don't want that. So I'll take this. And I will feel some joy. That's right. It's very joyous to find scrap metal. It is dark and wet. And I haven't seen our friend the Pilehopper in a while, which is good. We got our new friend, that thing. Yeah. How ironic is that? A surf club pillow in the snow. And just in case you wonder what the hours were, we're open Sunday 1 to 4. Nothing in the garbage barrel. I think this pile is like a, post-estate sale, post-moving sale, post-selling the house, remaining crap pile. And because of that, we ain't found nothing. Just when I start digging into my bag of combos, here's a pile. With nothing in it. I don't think I want to use that coolant. Nope. Wow. I gotta be honest, despite the snow, I can't say that tonight's really any worse than any other night. But my car is loud as hell. I either need a new muffler or a tune-up. I'll figure it out, I guess. This is a big pile, but you probably can't tell that in the dark. in the Da'ak. There's the pile on the lawn. We can't take that stuff, I don't think. This is another one of those piles where they're moving and they already scraped out all the good stuff. Les belles histoires or something. I don't know. I find foreign language books don't really sell that well. But what do we have here? Una bicicleta. The zip drive. I don't know. It's not a bad looking bike, but I don't think I need it. Alright. Kind of wish they were giving away the fire hydrant. I don't think we've found a fire hydrant together yet, but someday we will, I hope. They're super fun to find. A little bit heavy though. It's like 30 seconds later. And we're at a different pile on the same street. And I think we're gonna take this bike. Look, it's all icy. But this is a Schwinn. I don't know. Do we need this thing? Yeah, maybe. Not like I found anything else tonight. Check it out. Is there anything in the trunk at all? Oh yeah, and the batteries in my headlight are dying. Big computers in the trunk. Okay. So there's that. We'll put these wheels in there. Yeah, this footage is probably kind of crappy because it's like super dark and my light is super not light. Oh, and there's a train going by too. Add insult to injury, right? Whoa! Ow, 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 ow. That hurt. Alright, so I guess we'll just drive home like that. And I'll see you folks at the next pile. I'm kind of excited, but I'm kind of not excited. Because I know what kind of town I'm in. And I know that these things are not going to be steel. Nope. Big heavy brass headboards. But it's like late and it's dark and I don't want to sit here on the side of the road disassembling them. So I guess I'll strap it to the bike rack and go up the street and cut it up. But yeah, I'm not exactly crying about it. That's a lot of brass. I'm really sorry. I guess I should have brought you along on this adventure with me. What I did was I put these things on the well, slow down. I put these headboards on the bike rack and I lugged them to this supermarket parking lot. And then I took them apart. So now we have all this glistening, gleaming C3PO parts in the trunk, and the big long ones didn't fit, so I had to put them in here. I think this thing just kind of made my night because it's been a dead night, but wow. And these things are gonna suck though. See these little things right here? Can you see that? Do I even have my light on that? Like, these are the threaded inserts that hold the whole thing together. See, like right here, there's a threaded rod that goes in. And they don't like these at the scrapyard, so you got to take them out, and they're kind of a bear to do. Maybe I'll do a how-to on how to do that. What a useless how-to. How to take the threaded thingies out of a brass headboard. Yeah, that's my first million view viral video, right? Anyway, super exciting to get all this brass. And let's get back to the route. All right. It is dark. I'm getting kind of annoyed right now. So I think we're going to call this the last pile. And what a great pile it is.
Nerf guns. Remember a few videos ago we found like 500 bucks worth of Nerf guns? I just gave those away on Craigslist the other night. Like, nobody wanted them. And I think that's the last time I'm ever going to pick up Nerf guns. Dehumidifier? Nah. It's a nice pretty wreath. Merry Christmas. And hockey dudes. Okay. Leaf blower vacuum cleaner parts. And fishing rods. Whatever that thing is. So folks, I think this is going to do it for tonight. It certainly wasn't the snow job I thought it was going to be. You know, I thought it was going to be terrible tonight. It's actually just kind of a normal night. It's like a little rainy, a little snow on the ground. You know, we found this Schwinn. And if we look in the car, it's been like this for hours now. We've got a bag of LPs, you know, we've got those padlocks, which are the best thing that I've ever found in the history of ever. And that's about it. So I'm going to stay out for a little while longer. And if I find anything great, I'll record some footage and incorporate it into the video so you won't even know that it's out of order. But until then, I want to say thanks so much for coming along with me tonight. And I will see you in the next video. And until I see you again, thanks so much for watching.